Dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily create your page on Facebook. So for doing this you just need to log in into your Facebook account and I will show you. If you will get from this page, you need to click here, go to Facebook News and click here on pages. And here you can see my page that I already create. So I will create for you another page, create page. So I will choose community or public figure. For example, funny. Page name and category. In category you enter, so here you enter your name of page you want to create, and here you can add different categories from what theme your page will be. And after you do it, you just need to add city and state, for example, Kiev, Ukraine. And phone number is optional, so it depends on your opinion if you want to add it, or you cannot add your phone. So after you do it, just click continue. So here you can see that you must enter some street, for example, and click continue. So after you do it, just wait some time after it will be loaded to Facebook, and you will see something like this. So here you can upload a profile picture, just clicking here, and it will open your computer with your different photos. I will skip it, or you can add it sometime after, so you just skip it. Here you can upload a cover photo or skip. I will skip it. And here you will see now my new page on Facebook. Fine. So it's really pretty simple, and you will see this page from here. So here you can see funny. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.